take out this cable and open this cabinet. Now this is RAM. Unlock this one, unlock from here also, unlock, and then take out this RAM. Now brush it, clean it, this one, clean this slot also, and see this lock and put it back again by matching this lock here and the lock here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this lock is there, so this thing.